Guess where are we going? Guys, ano si... Yes, Iriga. Ate, o, nagsha-shoplift.
Gago! Gago! Guys, putang inong yun. Kala mo na sa bahay lang. Basalo ni Kabin?
Parang baba.
Kuya, nakasadiri oh.
Wala kaya. Diyan na po.
Guys, may little pantry siya dyan oh. Aray! Wow, nice, 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 nice. What can you say?
It's good. I'm comfortable and it's really cold.
You feel cold? Oh, you solo, you solo. Solo niya, guys. Yan, ganyan ang kamutangan ni Raymond. Kala mo naman talaga. Hi guys, we're here at Limanan, our first
Stop
stop.
over. Wanna fight me?
Magandang umaga po. We are approaching at Great Lakes Terminal.
Kadiri ka naman, sinasabi mo pa talaga. Hey Raymond, how was it? How was it, Raymond?
Ano nang tulog ko eh.
Okay naman, no? Tunas!
Thank you for carrying my bags. Thank you so much, Mariel. We're currently here at PITX and we're waiting for our
Car!
Yes.
We're waiting for a Toyota Vios.
I think that one.
No, it's a Toyota, it's a Vios.
Oh.
Ayan na! Ayan na siya! Ayan na siya!
Okay.
Hello! Ah! Ano, sorry mo na naman kita. Oh. Aray ko, kunin mo na nga oh. Babayad kami. Dali na! Ano yung bayan? Magkano nga yun? Magkano nga yun, kuya? Let's eat a cake!
It's very moist and chocolate flavored. Green. Ay.
Guys, I feel so burat. Not burat the burat, but like laseng.
Pinarayan. Ay.
Hey guys! We're finally here in Taguig. Guys, sobrang nakakapagod. That's it.
Super like... Oh, sakit sa ulo.
Pero nakatulog na kami guys pagdating namin.
Yeah.
Tapos ngayon lang kami nakapag-video. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye!
For more vlog journeys.
Just click the subscribe button.
And wait for our updates.
Yes, guys. Bye! Gago.